So hi guys, I'm going to do a YouTube video, another video about the rubber band aeroplane, and we're going to do some more test flights, but this time with the propeller. This time except from without the propeller installed onto it, because the last videos never got uploaded because my phone died and then I accidentally deleted them. So we're going to be doing this again, but with the propeller this time. And I'm just going to make this clear, it does much better now with the propeller installed onto it. Like, how a lot better. I will need to upper the elevators just a healthy amount. And what I mean by a healthy amount, I mean barely anything, because it's already gaining enough lift. Just need a tad more. So now what we're going to do, we're going to be winding it up and I'm going to be chucking it towards you so we can get good flights. There's a bird over there. That's good. We're going to be winding up this propeller now. It wants to push me backwards, but I'm not going to let it, because that would just ensure the whole entire airplane. Might just show the wings straight. Yep, the rings are straight enough, in my personal opinion. No, they are not. No, they are not straight. Now they are straight. Now I'm just going to turn around. Keep doing this. Just keep doing this every now and then. Alright, there it goes. I'm going to be standing over here, so you'll be seeing the airplane come towards you from distance. So here it goes. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. That went far. It's battling against the wind. No, it's battling against the wind. So it's doing a good flight, it's just battling against the wind. So this time I'm going to do it in the wind. See how well that is. Yeah, the wind's picking up a bit. It's fine. There's a little bit of wind, it's not really a big issue. It's when the wind becomes a little bit too violent, it's when that wind becomes an issue. I'm going to be standing from over here. I'm just throwing the airplane towards you in about 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, Jesus Christ! Damn! It's still going! Holy moly! That flew really well. Jesus, that flew more well than I thought it would. Damn. That flew wow. People, shut up, please. I'm going to do that again. Alright. Keep winding it up. This totally works. It's producing a lot of thrust, actually. A little bit too much for me. This time again, I'm going to go from this side. Alright. Right. Just wait for the wind to calm down a bit. Go a little bit more over here. Right. And go. Jesus. It caught on the tree. Oh, it smashed into the tree. Like, that was a good flight. That was a very good flight, actually. Much better than I thought it would. but it pitched up, which is not what I wanted. So I'm going to go a little bit of a down trim now. So to make it glide further, but not pitch up and stall and drop and smash into the ground. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do. Alright. Winding. Just take a little while to wind up though. I'm going to have to go pretty fast for this. Faster. Almost ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looking good enough for me. I'm going to go for this side again. So I'm going to throw it in the wind, not against it. See how that goes. There it goes. Oh! Damn! That flew really well. Again. Damaged the propeller though. And the rubber band still has some life in it. So it's constantly turning into one direction if it likes it or not. Which is not what I really want. Right, I'm winding up back again, and this time I'm going to go from a tail view, so a down here view, and go from here. Right, this is looking good. Keep winding up a little bit more. Right, good. Alright. Here it goes. Make sure the wings are level. Yep. Whoa. That went extremely high. Oh no, stalling! Oh Jesus! It wasn't there. It crashed. It actually crashed. Plane stalled again. It went really high and almost went over the fence. So that's not good. Not good. We went very high though, which is what I want. So now I'm going to do it from here. It shouldn't go over the fence in theory, but if it does, I'm going to stand a little bit forward to all my phone can view. There we go. This is good in my personal opinion. Oh no, oh no. We got a little bit of damage done to the wings actually. Yeah, we got some damage done to the wings. I'm going to have to fix that with sellotape. Yeah, we got a little bit of wing damage. There's a little cut on the side of the wing that disrupts lift flow. So that's not going to be good. That's not good at all. That's not very good. Not what we want either. Also, since the wind's coming this way, it's gonna blow that way. So I'm gonna have to wind it up and chuck it, and it's gonna go this way. So I'm gonna go over here. Right, I think that's good enough. See the wing angle of attack. Move it directly tail beam. And here it goes, flight number 1 for 3. Yes! Yes! It landed exactly where I wanted, but it did more damage. It still has some life. As you see, the damage of the wings is coming a little bit more greater every throw that I do. So that went really well, except from there was this keep flapping. It's like it was pitching up and then it just goes down. It goes like this, kind of. But like, meaning it was struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling to stay level. And I think I found the perfect trim at last. Good trim. Yeah, I found the perfect trim. Right guys, I found the perfect trim now, so I'm gonna have to get this rock out of my foot, out of my shoe, and we're gonna go for the maiden test flight. The actual proper test flights now. These are proper test flights. So I'm lining it up now. I'm gonna throw it not towards this because I do know it turns a little bit to the left. So if I throw it in a straight line, in theory it should go to the right. So I'm gonna go a little bit back down here. So when I throw it, you're gonna get a clear view where it comes from. It's good with a little bit of wind, not too much. So I'll throw it towards the bikes. Alright, I'm really getting the rubber band going now. The rubber band is getting really tight now. Yeah, it's getting too tight. Oh, really. Got a beeping car. Stop colliding into that thing. It pulled off again. What is wrong with you? And it still had some life in. Stop going towards that. Alright, that means we're going to have to throw it from extreme angles. Like from all the way down here to stop it from colliding. So I've never seen such good performance from this plane before, so I'm going to go with speed. Speed wind up. Right, I think it's done now. With a true maiden test flight. I'm going to throw it this way. See what it does. Oh, it almost crashed into the ground, but it pulled off in time. That was extremely successful. It used it all of its thrust this time. So it has this way. Whoa, that is some good. Wee, wee. This grass is hurting my foot. Dun, dun. What even is this? Do you guys even know what this is? It's looks like a coconut seed. Or an avocado seed to me. Alright. Well, that's it for this video. Oh my gosh. Jesus. How much? Why? Why are you giving me so much grass? Well, if you like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Dun dun dun, next videos.